The day 3 kayaking vlog was cut short because we all fell in the water and my phone also fell in and it was cracked, so it got all wet and got destroyed. We got the trailer for the first time. Troy's got us an awesome trailer.
It doesn't drag.
I was looking up on Google and there's like huge fish in this river, like the size of sharks. No, way bigger than that.
That's pretty far. That's not going anywhere.
The water's crazy fast today. Oh. We're gonna portage right up this little thing here. I think there's like a waterfall over here.
Like full block off dam.
Oh, Troy says he saw a woodchuck.
Bad woodchuck too.
A bad woodchuck?
Dead one.
Oh, yeah.
I can't touch.
Troy's got the boat down the river.
Where's my boat?
But we're back at day 4. We're starting where we finished. We made it to the Wisconsin River. We're finally here. And this time we brought all our camping stuff and a tent and some food, and we're gonna camp on a sandbar. Hopefully this time nobody falls in. And this time we're gonna be kayaking like 30 or 40 miles. It's also supposed to be pretty cold tonight, so we're gonna have to try and find some firewood and build a nice little fire. And we're off.
20 yards.
Troy, any predictions for the trip?
No.
No. This time we got Cal with us too. Yep. Oh yeah. This is our food for the night and Michael's just letting it spill out everywhere. Troy, how did they not fall off yet? That's the real question.
I'm one with the river.
Oh. All right, throw it, Troy. I'm ready.
Ready?
Yeah, one-handed. Guys, let's watch Michael's best acting technique. All right, Michael, say, look, there's an eagle again, but do it convincingly.
Oh,
No, it's to the left.
oh, an eagle. Cal, you're no longer a bird expert. You're a fish expert.
I took birds in Wisconsin.
Troy and Cal drove past this bridge and they say that there's big rapids up here. Troy, how big are the rapids up here?
They sound huge.
Michael's stuck on a sandbar. We're about to hit some class 5 rapids. Michael, what are you doing over there?
Land ho.
Troy, what do you see?
Rapid.
Oh, I hit something. Why is this full? I'm flooded, Troy. Why am I flooding all the time? When Michael paddles fast, it's literally like a centimeter above the line of his boat.
That's what you're doing too. This is under the water.
We stopped here a little bit to redistribute some weight of our kayaks. Yep. We got about 2 hours before sunset, and we're about 20 miles from our destination. We're racing the sun right now. We got half an hour before we got to find a camping spot, right, Troy?
We can paddle through the night.
Paddle through the night. Now the mission is to find a good island to camp on. We got something up there, but it's too much in the shade. We still got about 30 minutes of sunlight left. See what we can find. So right now we're looking for a good sandbar. Something like over here maybe. We want it to be in the sun so it's nice and pretty. I think we just found one. We got the island. We got an island. We're here. Just in time. We made it. I'm pretty sure this is the best island here. Troy, do you think this is the best one?
No.
It's an island. The one problem is that it's not connected to land because it's an island. So we got to take our kayaks and go hustle for some wood out somewhere else and then bring it back in our kayaks so we can build a nice fire. But we got here just in the nick of time. About 10 minutes left to light.
Temperature's dropping.
Temperature is dropping.
I was trying to switch it. I wasn't soaking wet.
Yeah, I'm soaking wet too.
I'm dry.
Troy! Well, right now I'm collecting firewood to bring back to our island, but it's so hard to keep it dry and balance it on a kayak while you're paddling. And take it back to the island without it getting wet. I got the wood to the island. I got it draped across the kayak here. Managed to keep it dry. We got Michael over here setting up the tent. How's the progress going?
Which way is up?
Troy's over here. He's in charge of the lighting system. We got the fire right here. Troy, what are the odds we get this thing to light first try?
20%.
20%, yeah, I think so. So I couldn't get my fire to work, but Cal here has a pretty good solution. Good try. That works.
Whoa! Is that gonna explode? Question.
I got my shorts soaking wet, but now I got them drying off right here. You can see the smoke coming off. All right, Michael got us some stag chili.
Key is, before you put it in the fire, you want to make sure you peel off the label. That'll give it optimal cooking temperatures.
Then we're gonna put it right in the side and warm it up. Today we're up early, trying to get the last 12 miles before the Packer game starts. We're gonna start going down this way. Troy, you had some night terrors last night. Yeah. All of a sudden I would wake up and you go, oh yeah. There's the last of our log. What'd you guys think of this epic trip? Michael?
Next time, more dry clothes.
More dry clothes. You're wearing socks right now. That's all we got left. Troy, what do you think about it?
Awesome.
Cal, any final words?
Nope, having a great time.
Coffee thing boiling right here. Troy's got his nice shoes on, his dress shoes. What more could you ask for? All right, now play the music.